What's up, everybody? Just got done playing golf. In my golf outfit, I wanted to bring you some content, so let's get after it. You likely want more clients. So what you need to start doing is date your audience. And this is what 99% of people are not doing. Way too often I see people going from zero to proposal. And proposal is asking someone to work with you. Right? And if we're using the dating example, zero to proposal. If you would never go up to a cute girl in Starbucks and say, hey, you're cute, want to get married? You would never, ever do that. So why do we think it's okay to do that on social media? We all know how scummy it feels when someone drops in your DMs and says, hey, coffee lovers, we're looking for ambassadors. Screw you, you don't know I'm a coffee lover. Or they come in and they say, hey, I see you're an online coach. This happens to me. I see you're an online coach. You need help with lead gen. Screw you, you don't know I need help with lead gen. You never even asked. Right? So we can't go from zero to proposal. It doesn't feel good. You have not built up any trust with your potential client. So what 99% of people are not doing is dating your audience. What does this look like? Well, first, we want to type. We want to have our type. That is our niche. You wouldn't go up to someone you're not attracted to and ask them on a date, right? Sex won't be any good. You won't be attracted to them. That wouldn't be a very healthy relationship. So of course you want to have your type. And if they are your type, then you will talk to them, which is the DMs, guys. That's the DMs. You go talk to someone. And when you talk to someone, what do? You start with an intro. Hi, I'm Matt. I live here in Denver. I think you're really beautiful. Would you like to go on a date? Right? Just make the intro. Say what you're about. Don't try and hide that. And you start to get to know them. And when you get to know them, you understand if they're a good fit for you. As you're going on a few more dates, this person I don't really vibe. So we went on a few dates, we tried it out, but that's okay. That's the same thing as, can I help this person? You as a business owner, in the DMs, can I help this person is the same thing as knowing if they're a good fit. If you can help them, then you continue to get to know them. And as you get to know them, and as you build up trust and you chat, and you just get curious inside the DMs, just like you would on a date. Tell me about your childhood, all this stuff. And if we're talking about fitness and health and wellness, tell me a little bit about your fitness, your health and wellness. I already told you in the intro, you know what I do. I'm a health coach, so I'm curious. Is there any parts of your fitness, health journey that you struggle with? And then you start to understand their pains and their goals. What is holding them back? Why aren't they getting what they want? Do they want to lose weight, gaining more muscle? What is it that's holding them back? What is stopping them? And what are their future goals? And because you're getting to know someone, and because I know you guys already love your clients, especially your ideal clients, your type, especially those people, you love them so much already. Since you love them, you want to solve their problems. You want to solve their pains and goals. And you do this in the DMs and with your content. And you make a piece of content and said, hey, you told me you struggle with XYZ. So I made this content for you. And you send it to them in the DMs. Because you love them. And you're trying to change the world and you're trying to help people with their fitness and their goals. And because you are now doing this and you are being genuinely curious and talking to people and getting in the DMs, getting to know them, they start to feel seen, heard, felt, understood. Oh my God, this person actually cares. And holy crap, they made a post for me. They're trying to solve my problems. And they're sending it directly to me. They remembered me. I told them that I struggle with XYZ. And they made a post and they remembered me. And that makes me feel seen, heard, and understood. And now that we've developed these relationships, you've heard the know, like, and trust. They like you, they trust you, they fucking love you. And now that they love you, you can make the proposal. You can ask them to work with you. Hey, you really do seem like a good fit for me. And I know you struggle with XYZ. I would love to get on a phone call and see if I can help you even further. And you want to work with me. And you know what? Holy crap, Matt, this seems like a lot of work. And that's the fucking problem. Nobody wants to do the hard work. You think you're the best trainer in the world, and people are just going to come to you. I'm going to get referrals, and my business is going to explode. And that's another issue that you're probably not charging enough. And different conversation. But we need to go find our clients. We can't just sit idly by and expect our business to grow. We need to go find our clients. And we need to put in the work for our ideal clients because we love them and we want to change the world. And this is how we do it, by getting the DMs. And this is how we're able to charge more. This is if you want to make that big money. You solve all your clients' problems. You solve all their problems. I love circling shit. You solve all their problems. And that's how you're able to charge more money. Again, different conversation. But if you want more clients, treat your audience like you would date them and get to know them and solve their problems with your content and send them in the DMs and get to know them in the DMs. And if you do this, I guarantee you can land a client by the end of this week. In 1 week's time, you could land a few clients if you do this with 5-10 people. But we're not willing to put in the work. And why not? We want to change the world, so why aren't you willing to put in the work? What the fuck else are you doing? I'm gonna get my mobility and I gotta stretch. Yeah. Let's go take care of our people. Okay? I believe in self-care, of course. But you want to grow a business. Start getting the DMs. Start having these conversations. And then you will never, ever question, what do I post today? They'll tell you. They'll tell you if you talk to them and create a relationship and know their pains and goals. And that's how you make posts. And then you send it to them. And then you get more clients. This is how I run a successful business. So if you're wondering, how do I grow my business? Start here. Start in the DMs. Start dating your audience. Enough said. Marker drop. I'm out.